Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Welcome you all in the online classes from Golden Flower Public School. Today I came with another topic of class 10th. Today I will explain you cubic polynomial. About cubic polynomial we will know cubic polynomials. First of all, we should know what is cubic polynomial. For that, we will just see general form. What will be the general form of cubic polynomial? What will be the general form of cubic polynomial? Ax to the power 3, bx to the power 2, cx plus d. This is the general form of cubic polynomial. Clearly, what is the coefficient of x cube? Coefficients of x cube is equal to a. Coefficients of x square is b. Coefficient of x is c, and constant. What is the constant? The last term d. On the basis of these coefficients, we can write the sum of zeros, product of zeros, sum of the product of zeros taking 2 at a time. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. If zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. If zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equal to minus b upon a. Minus b upon a. Product of zeros alpha, beta, gamma minus b upon a. The sum of the product of zeros taking 2 at a time means alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha will be c upon a. C upon a. Right? After that, we will come on the sum. Sum based on cubic polynomials are asked. So we will solve one sum and explain it. Verify the numbers quotient. Verify the numbers given along with the cubic polynomial. Cubic are their zeros. Are there also verify the relationship between coefficients of and zeros. X cube 2x square x minus 2. Numbers given 1, -1 and -2. So first of all, we will verify that these given three numbers are the zeros of the given polynomial. 1. What? 1. In place of x, we will put 1. 1 cube, 2 into 1 square, -1, -2. 1 का cube 1, plus 2 into 1, -1, -2. 1 plus 2, -1, -2. Plus 1, -1, plus 2, -2, cancel 0. Yes. 1 is a 0. 1 is a 0. Now, f -1. This time we will put -1 in place of each and every x. First, x cube, -1 cube. 2 into -1 square. Minus -1, -2. What will be? -1. 2 into 1, minus minus, plus 1, -2. -1, plus 2, plus 1, -2. Minus plus cancel, plus minus cancel, 0. Yes, -1 is a 0. In the same way, we will show -2 is a 0. -2 is a 0. See. This time we are taking -2 in place of x. -2 cube, 2 into -2 square, minus -2, -2. -8, 2 into 4, minus plus 2, -2. -8, plus 8, plus 2, -2. Plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. Means -8 plus 8, 0, plus 2 minus 2, 0, 0. Yes, -2 is a 0. In this way, we have already shown what 1, -1 and -2 all are the zeros, right? Relationship between zeros and coefficient. First of all, we will find the value of a, b and c. What is a? We all know what is a? A coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube. That is nothing means 1. What is b? Coefficient of x square. It is 2. What is c? I mean coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus means -1. And constant, I mean d. D is equal to -2. Now, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Alpha, beta, gamma. If zeros are alpha, beta and gamma, we know in cubic polynomial there are 3 solutions. Each solution is known as, first one is known as alpha, second as beta, third as gamma. So when we will write the sum of zeros means alpha plus beta plus gamma. It will be minus b upon a minus what is b? 2 upon a. What is a? 1. 1 minus 2 upon 1 is equal to minus 2. Clear? Now, sum of zeros. This time zeros, we will use the given zeros. 1, minus 1 and 2. We have already proved these three are zeros. These three are zeros. First, 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 2. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus 2. This and this. Same now. It means it is verified. Now, product of zeros. See. Product of zeros. Product of zeros. What is the product of zeros? Alpha, beta, gamma. It will be minus d upon a. What is minus d? Minus means minus. In place of b, minus 2 upon a is 1. A is 1. Minus minus plus 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. Again, product of zeros. Product of zeros. What will be? We will use this time on the three given zeros. 1 into minus 1 into minus 2. It will be minus, minus plus, it will be plus 2. Plus 2. Both are same. Hence, we can say, hence, it is verified. It is verified. Understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.